technically most times tend to win the game.
Yeah. Controlling the glass on both ends.
Control the glass on both ends and win the turnover battle. And
that's a three. Is it Dixon?
Three
yes, it's Dixon. Getting back on the board with 3 points.
Hitting her second three of the night. Nijman settling things down. Marcia looking for some opening.
That's a good pass.
And one.
Now offensive foul. Well, I'm pretty sure the coach of Suriname have taken some points. And he will go back to the drawing board. He or she will go back to the drawing board and try to fix whatever needs to be fixed with a beautiful play from Jamaica. Good pass. The passing of Jamaica has just been tip-top shape. As we look at the three here. Oh, what a shot.
As the game winds down. 44-point lead.
Good spin, good move, good move. Bit of a fadeaway jumper, mid-range. Find some contact, and she goes to the free throw line. That's
Shakya Peroti.
That's an on-one again.
Shakya Peroti.
So there is some bright spots for Suriname in this game. They just need to go back to the drawing board a bit, Tristan, and find what works for them.
Yeah, but you can't be...
now she converts a free throw, which is a good sign.
Expect executives of FIBA, along with the Minister of Sport, both Ministers of Sport, Charles.
That's the game.
Stephen Jacobs. That's the game, 86-47 in favor of Jamaica.
Dominant performance from Jamaica.